Okay, so here we have the next project, Sinclair C5 from 1985. It's a bit rough around the edges, but I think you can get an idea of what's going to be happening with this. We're going to tidy it up, obviously, probably repaint it, strip it down completely, and this 250 watt brushed motor with its little belt drive is going to be going. So if anyone needs one of those, let me know. And we're going to be putting a much more modern brushless motor and some lithium batteries in it. Got some EIG lithium cells that will go in it quite well. So it's got the original Sinclair pedals on it and the crank arms, a bit of play in the bottom bracket, but that's to be expected. Manufactured by Hoover on behalf of Sinclair. 250 watts, 12 volts. Missing a light. Missing a bunch of stuff. There should be wheel covers, there should be front wheel covers, there should be side wheel covers. Indicators were an option, but they're not on here. We're going to give this a T-cut first, see how it comes, see how well it comes up. But I'm probably going to end up painting it a custom colour, which I've not decided yet. I could let the viewers decide that, to be totally honest, as long as it's not too stupid, like luminescent pink, because I will not be doing that.
Or purple.
Yeah, any of those kind of 90s mountain bike colours, no way, just no. But yeah, so that concludes the first part of this video. Well, no, it doesn't actually. I'm going to get in it, so try and give you a perspective as to what the position's going to be like. So I'm in it now, and it kind of wasn't meant for tall people. So if I have my tiptoe on the pedal, I can pedal it. There's no chain on it. But if I put my foot like in a normal place, where you would have your foot on the pedal on a regular push bike, see I can't really, yeah. So it's best not to be tall and not to wear steel toe cap boots. But yeah, it's quite low down. You steer with the handlebars here. It's connected to a linkage on the front fork. And originally, to make it go, I think it was operated by this little micro switch in here under this bit of rubber. Rubber should be round a bit more, but you get the idea. There's a little micro switch. That'll be connected to a relay. And then there'll be another one for reverse on the other side, connected to another set of relays, like a H bridge, to reverse the drive.
It's all going to go.
Yeah, it is, definitely. Then she'll be all good. That concludes the video.